In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Yahoo account permanently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to yahoo.com. It's important to ensure that you're on the official Yahoo website to avoid any potential security risks. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Next, you'll need to log into your Yahoo account. Start by entering your Yahoo username or email address. If it's been a while since you last logged in, take a moment to double-check that you're entering the correct information to avoid any issues. Once you've confirmed your details, click Next to move on to the password entry page. Here, enter your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure you input it exactly as you've stored it. After typing in your password, click Next. Now that you've logged into your Yahoo account, you're ready to begin the deletion process. Click on Manage Your Account, which you can find in your account settings. This section essentially acts as your command center for adjusting Yahoo account settings and preferences. Once in your account settings, look for the option Privacy Controls and click on it. This area governs various privacy and security settings related to your account. Under the Manage Your Information section, you'll find the option to delete your Yahoo account. Click this link to proceed with the deletion process. Before moving on, Yahoo will provide you with some important information about what deleting your account entails. Make sure to read through these details thoroughly. It's crucial to understand that once your account is deleted, all data associated with it including emails, photos, and contacts will be permanently lost. If you're certain about your decision, you'll find an option labeled Continue Delete My Account. Clicking this button will lead you to the final confirmation page. After you confirm your decision, your Yahoo account will be scheduled for deletion, and the process will begin. That's it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Yahoo account. Keep in mind that it may take some time for everything to be fully finalized. Remember to cancel any subscriptions linked to your Yahoo account before carrying out the deletion to avoid any unwanted charges. If you ever change your mind and wish to recover your account, you'll need to act quickly before the deletion process is completed. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with this task.